Welcome back to the channel Dollar Mint Old Coin. Would you believe that a small gold coin from 1871, only slightly larger than a quarter, could be worth over $35 million today? Yes, you heard that right, $35 million asterisk. This is not fiction. This is the incredible story of Japan's 10-yen gold coin, minted over 150 years ago. Stick around, because in this video, we'll explore its shocking value, the hidden history behind it, and how this tiny treasure is making waves in the world of rare coins. Smash that like button if you love history, and let's get into it. To understand this coin's true value, we need to go way back, to Meiji-era Japan. The year is asterisk 1871 asterisk. The country is emerging from centuries of isolation. The Tokugawa shogunate has just fallen. A 15-year-old emperor, Emperor Meiji, is modernizing Japan at lightning speed. And with modernization came a new currency system. Japan adopted a Western-style minting process. Gone were the oval Koban coins. In came precision-minted gold and silver coins. The 1871 10-yen gold coin was one of the first coins ever minted under this new system. Let's talk about the coin itself. It's made from 0.900 fine gold asterisk, weighs about 16.6 grams, and features a dragon on the obverse, a symbol of power and protection. The reverse has the Imperial chrysanthemum crest flanked by sprigs of paulownia and cherry blossoms. This wasn't just money, it was a message. Japan was saying to the world, we are modern, we are sovereign, and we are powerful. Only a few surviving specimens are known today. So, why is this coin worth so much? Well, the answer is one word. Rare. The asterisk 1871 10-yen coin had an extremely limited mintage. Many were melted down or lost during wars and economic transitions. Today, only a handful exist in pristine condition. Some reports say fewer than 10 examples worldwide. Collectors and investors go wild for rare coins like this. One specimen in mint state condition sold for a jaw-dropping $35, 111, 210 USD at a private auction. Owning this coin is like owning a piece of Japan's soul. Look here. This isn't a fantasy. This is a certified example graded by PCGS as MS65. The craftsmanship is flawless, the historical importance unmatched. Compare that with gold's value today. This coin's material worth is around $1, 200 asterisk, but its numismatic value, thanks to history, rarity, and collector demand, is over 30,000 times more now. Let me ask you, have you ever found an old coin in your attic? Maybe something from your grandparents? You might just be sitting on a hidden fortune. If you own any Japanese coins, or any pre-1900 foreign coins, get them checked. Visit a local coin dealer or send them to a grading service like PCGS or NGC. Drop a comment below if you've got old coins lying around. Who knows what treasure you might have? And hey, if you want me to review your coin photos in a future video, make sure you're subscribed. So there you have it, Japan's 1871 10-yen gold coin. A tiny artifact from a transformative era, now worth more than a private island. Let's be real. Asterisk, not everyone asterisk will find a $35 million coin. But learning history through coins? That's priceless. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want more videos about old coins, rare finds, and the world of collectibles. Next video, top 5 coins worth millions in your pocket. Thanks for watching, and keep your eyes open. History might be hiding in your pocket.